Hey honey, today I'll be showing you how I make my green juice. And when I tell you this green juice is delicious, but not only is it delicious, it's really life-changing. It's going to help to detox your body, help you to get rid of all that excess waste that you've been holding on to. It's going to help to flood your body with vitamins and minerals that you really need to maintain good health. But also it's going to have you glowing. It's going to give you so much energy. It can help you to lose fat. Your waistline starts to slim. It actually helps to de-bloat you as well. So let me finish talking. Let's get right into the recipe. So I have my juicer here with me and I have everything cut up. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna link the recipe down below in the description so you have it as well. Okay, let's get right started. I'm so excited, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my greens first. And the first green I have here is called dandelion greens. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but wait, let me see if this thing's set up properly now. Hold on, guys. Let me just do a quick check. Yeah, we're good to go. Yeah, so the first one I'm loading in is called dandelion greens. So this is like, depending on how you like it, if you're a beginner, you can just put like a handful of dandelion greens. It's just gonna give you like a glass of green juice. But I'm making like 2 glasses of green juice today, so I kind of want more in mine. Yeah, so I'm using like half a bunch of dandelion greens, right? But dandelion greens are excellent. They're like one of the most powerful greens that you can use, right? When you're detoxing your body. It actually helps to really flush out your liver. And I don't know if you guys know, but the liver is the organ in the body that helps to detox you. So very, very important. It also helps to break down fats. So it's excellent, full of vitamins, minerals. Listen, you're gonna need some dandelion greens. But here's the thing, it's kind of bitter. So if you're not new to this, you can just use a handful, you know? But don't worry, it's not gonna taste bad, guys. Like, just trust me. You know what I mean? We have to start taking better care of our bodies. So yeah, so the one I just added some dandelion greens, and now I'm adding in some black kale. Kale is fantastic. It's full of antioxidants, and kale is going to also help to really detox your body. When it comes down to leafy greens, like the super green vegetables, those ones are really going to be pulling the toxins out your body. It's very good. The chlorophyll in it is what's really helping to really detox you real nicely. So, and not to mention kale is gonna have your skin looking gorgeous, okay? It's gonna have you de-bloated. So this is why you need to stick with me. So we have some black kale. I don't want to load it up too much. Okay, cool. So now we're gonna add in some parsley. Guys, parsley in your green juice is a must. Parsley is really good for detoxing your kidneys. Your kidneys is what filters your blood. So when it comes on to urination, the kidneys is what takes care of that. So very important. This is going to help to de-bloat you, and it's going to act like a diuretic as well to kind of send you to the bathroom to pee a lot. Pee out all the excess fluid that you have going on that don't need to be in your body, right? So that's some parsley. We have some cilantro here. If I'm being honest, guys, I don't like cilantro. I have that gene that makes cilantro taste like soap. So I've never actually juiced with cilantro before, but I'm going to try it today. I'm going to try it, okay? Because cilantro is excellent for getting rid of heavy metals in the body. So for all you people that love to use the aluminum pots and that love to wear that deodorant that have the aluminum in it, and just so you know, everywhere we go, when we're outside, we're inhaling all the fumes, inhaling a lot of metals every single day. So you really, really, really want to add some cilantro in for heavy metal detox, right? So I'm going to add my cilantro later, but I want you guys to add it. If you don't have that gene that doesn't make cilantro taste soapy and bitter, well, not bitter, because I don't mind bitter flavor. It tastes soapy, like it gives me like a gag reflex. So I'm gonna add mine later because I don't want to put it now and then I don't enjoy my drink. So I'm gonna hold off for the cilantro for me, but for you, I want you to put cilantro in yours. Mint, oh my God, this gives it a nice little flavor. But mint is really good as well for the body. Very good for digestion, right? All right, so now we have that. Oh my God, my hands still smell soapy from the cilantro. Let me wash my hands and come back because I can't. But add cilantro to yours though. Tell me if you guys also have that gene that makes cilantro taste soapy and weird to you. Let me know. 1 second, let me wash my hands and come back. All right, guys, I'm back. I washed my hands. They no longer smell like cilantro. Okay, so now we have that. We're gonna add in some celery. Oh my God, some of my celery just fell on the floor, guys. What the hell? Listen, vegetables are expensive. When I be doing grocery shopping, I don't want to deter you guys though, because you guys need to take care of your health. It's literally an investment. It's the most important thing Nothing else nothing else is more important than your health, to be honest. So yeah, I don't want nothing drop on the floor though, because I spent a lot of money on my organic vegetables. Guys, when you're buying vegetables, this is a tip: you want to get them from the farmers market, especially if you're in America. If you're in Jamaica, I don't know, you can find maybe the Jamaican produce them look better, hopefully. But in America, you definitely want to be sourcing your things from farmers markets. You don't really want to be buying from like the big major supermarkets, because you know, you can get better ingredients that have less pesticides on them, more like organically grown, you know, grown with love. So you want to go to the farmers market. Okay guys, so I had added some celery. Now I have some green apples. Green apples are perfect because they're not a super sweet fruit, which is good for some of the people. Because I know some of you guys might have like insulin resistant, or you might have like diabetes or something, so you don't want to have too much sugar. But don't worry, these apples, they're not gonna raise your blood sugar too much or do anything crazy. They're also really, it's like a very astringent fruit, so it's gonna help to it's gonna help to clean out all the toxins from your digestive pathway, right? From your colons, I should say, guys. I'm not a doctor or anything. This is just something I really enjoy doing for myself. Oh, and also apples. You see, if you're new to this, you can go ahead and add in more apples. For me, I'm only using, in total, I have 4 apples. As I said, I'm going to put the ingredient list down below for you. But for me, I use 4 apples, but you can use 6 or even 7 if you're new to this and you want to make it sweet and more enjoyable for yourself. Okay, so I have 1 lemon here, but I want it to fit, so I'm just going to put half for now, right? So lemon is very good as well. You guys know lemon is like sour, it's very astringent. Okay, so we're gonna put some ginger in there. Guys, ginger is very great. It helps with your digestive system. We need the ginger. Turmeric, very, very good for you. Turmeric is amazing. Then we need some, oh guys, this is different. I don't know if you guys ever see anybody put pepper inside their juice. I love it. If you love spice, you're gonna love this, but just use a little tiny toops if you're new to this, but I do this all the time, so I like half of a habanero. This is habanero pepper. If you're using Jamaica, is habanero the same thing as scotch bonnet pepper? Because they look the same. Is it different? Let me know down below in the comments if you guys know. But yeah, if I was doing scotch bonnet, I'd probably do a little less. I don't know. But I do half of habanero. Guys, please just put a small piece if you're new to this. Or if you don't have this, you can use cayenne pepper. But I don't have cayenne pepper right now, so. And if you're using cayenne pepper, obviously that's going to be powder form. So you can just add it to your juice after, right? All right, cool. So what else we have here? So I think that's everything, guys. So we have our half bunch of dandelion greens, half bunch of black kale or lacinato kale. Is that what they call it in America? We have our handful of parsley, handful of cilantro. We have 1 whole lemon. I take the skin off, but you can leave the skin on if you want. I like it off. We're using 2 cucumbers, 3 stalks of celery, and 4 apples. If you want, you can add more apples. So you can add 6 or 7 apples to make it sweeter if you're new to this. We're doing 1 thumb of ginger, 1 thumb of turmeric, and half of a habanero pepper. Okay? So now we're gonna juice, guys. Let's do this, guys. And that's the last of our green juice. Look at how much we got. We got like 1.6 liters of green juice a while ago. So this can last me 2 times in a day. I'm gonna have this now because I haven't eaten. I just came from the gym. And then I'm gonna probably have it for lunch again. But here's the thing. If you're just starting out, it's fine. You can start out with 16 ounces per day in the morning. But if you wanna really detox your body even more, you can go up to like 1 liter a day. So you can drink up to 1 liter this for one day. You can break it up in 2. So you can have half a liter in the morning when you just wake up, and then half a liter for lunch, okay? It's so good. So I can just drink it straight. It's perfect. Here's another tip that you can do. You can add some water to it, because when you add a little water to it, it helps to run through the body more easily. So you can just dilute yours with a little bit of water if you want. This is so good. This is so good, guys. I feel so good already. One thing about green juice, when you drink it, it is so satiating. Like it actually, like if you're hungry and you drink this, it gets rid of your hunger. And like you're actually good for hours. And it makes sense because a lot of the times we're eating all this food. It's not really so high in nutrients, right? But when you drink this, you see how much vegetables we put. Like there's no way we could have like How was gonna eat so much of these vegetables in one go? Like, it's so much nutrients in it. Funny, I was watching a video and this guy, he put like a probe with like a light bulb in the juice, and the light bulb actually lit up to show you that this thing is literally electric. It's literally fuel for your body. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave me a comment. This is my first time doing this type of content, so I'd really appreciate you guys' support on this journey. I want to bring you guys along so that we can all get healthy together. Okay, so see you guys in the next tutorial. Please comment, subscribe, share it with a friend. See you later. Mwah. Love you. Bye.